So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Real Page Off Campus Drive 2021, which is applicable for freshers as well as for the experienced candidates. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the lateral hiring updates. And recently we have uploaded 3 different videos regarding Accenture Off Campus and about its hiring process and some of the technical MCQ questions and the answers or the frequently asked technical MCQ questions. So I'll be putting the links of the videos in the description of this video so that you will be able to watch our videos or the 3 videos by simply clicking on the link only. So now let's discuss about the job role and the eligibility criteria. So the job role or the job profile they are hiring for software developer engineer or software developer 1, and category is software engineering, and location they are hiring for Hyderabad only, and salary will be getting 4.5 to 12 LPA plus as per the Glassdoor review. So they have not provided any salary information in their official website. For a reference purpose we have added this. So for the fresh candidates or the freshers, you will be getting minimum of 4.5 LPA. So for the experienced candidates, you may get 12 LPA or up to 12 LPA or more than this according to your skills or according to your experience. Then experience required is fresher or experienced. That means fresh candidates or the freshers can also apply for this job role, and experienced candidates like 0 to 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, 4 years experienced candidates can also apply for this job role. Then qualification required is any UG or PG, that means BE, BTech, MCA, BSc, MTech, etc. Then batch, any batch candidates can apply. That means starting from 2017 or 16, 2018, 2020, 21, 22, all are eligible for this job role. Then branch, all the non-IT candidates as well as the IT background candidates. That means all are eligible irrespective of their branch. Then last date to apply is NA. That means any time this job role or job profile may get expired. So I am requesting all of you to apply for this job role as soon as possible. So now let's discuss about the required skills. So you must have proficiency with Java, core Java only, web development or web frameworks. And you must be familiar with fundamental front-end languages and the frameworks such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. And you must have familiarity with Git and familiarity with JavaScript frameworks such as jQuery, AngularJS, etc. And you must be knowing database technologies such as MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, etc. Then you must have familiarity with build servers such as Jenkins or equivalent. So these are the basic requirements. So you must have all these skills, or you must be knowing all these things. So then, and other things like salary, the last date to apply, etc. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this job role. So this is the official website of Real Page. So as we discussed earlier, the job role here you can see, and the location Hyderabad only, and the other things. So what will be your role? So the propertyware, that means their software is a end-to-end property management software that helps the property managers and the operators to scale their business with several different types, including the mixed portfolios. So this is the real estate software. So this is their software, the propertyware, a Real Page company. So this is their website, or you can say software. So you'll be dealing with this software, or you'll be managing this website or software, etc. you can say. So if you are interested, you can apply simply by clicking on the apply for this job online. So after clicking that, you will be able to apply for this job role. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to apply for this job role by simply clicking on the link itself. So if you have any doubts regarding this job role, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.